Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I will tell you about how to fix Elden Ring uh, game white screen problem. So many users face this problem from many days. So I think to show how to fix this problem. So there are two or three methods how to fix this problem. So let's start this video and make sure you subscribe our channel and like this video. So first step, you need to remove Epic Game Launcher from your PC or your Xbox. So uninstall it. So how to uninstall it? So first of all, search or add remove program in the window, and after this locate the Epic Games launcher, and there you need to see the uninstall button and click on uninstall button, and after you uninstall this, your problem will be solved. And once you restart your device and then try, your game will be working without any problem. So if first method not work, so then try second method. In second method, you need to update the driver. So how to update graphic driver? So first visit to the, you can download the latest Google graphic driver update using setting. Go to setting and window update, and in window update you see advanced option, and there you can update the it a graphic driver. In third method, you need to run game in high performance mode. So how to do this? So first of all, click on the browse option and navigate the place where you install your Elden Ring, and select the extension file of the Elden Ring. And once the game is added, tap on it, click on options from the context menu, and choose high performance, and click on the save. Your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting videos.